How's it going, guys? It's Josh here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a good day. So I just wanted to literally turn the camera on today and just have a chat to you guys, because I feel like I never do this, and partly why it is because normally when I'm making like a review or something, I've spent so long setting up the shot, making the lighting look just perfect, that when I turn the camera on I feel like it's show time. You gotta be good, and yeah, by doing that I kind of feel like I lose some of my personality a little bit, because a lot of my reviews are scripted, because I always feel like I don't know what to say. But yeah, today I thought I'd just record this video and just have a chat with you. So you've probably seen in the title, going full-time on YouTube. Sort of, I'll just explain. So if you've been around on the channel for a while, you'll know that my main job is I'm a guitar teacher. So I've been doing that since I left school pretty much full-time, and YouTube has just been a bit of a side job. It started off as a hobby. But yeah, last year I started doing it kind of one day a week, where I'd have a specific day just to make videos. But now it's got to the point where I'd like to make more videos, because the thing is with having one day is I have to like film everything on one day, and if I don't get it finished by the end of the day and uploaded and all done and dusted, then it doesn't really get worked on again till next week, because I just don't have time to do it. So the plan is to reduce teaching time. Well, I've already done that. I'm going to be doing 2 days from now on, so I've got like 3 days to make videos, which is awesome. It's actually the school holidays right now, which is good. Just finished teaching this week. So yeah, you can expect a lot more videos from now on. I'm hoping to make at least two, but maybe even 3 a week. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Like I said before, YouTube is something that I'd really like to do. I do love making videos. So yeah, it should be good. Moving on to the second thing that is really important that I wanted to talk about is the content on the channel. Now, partly, guys, why I didn't upload last year that much was because I got so burnt out from making videos, and I know the reason why. It was because I had so many products to review. Every week I would just be like, right, let's go grab another product from the product pile and make a review on it, and that was literally it. It was getting so boring, and I was just getting burnt out, and I wasn't really enjoying it. Now, if we just go back to the start of the channel, about 6 months into making videos, that was when I got my first company contact me to ask me to do a review. And guys, I was like, wow, this is awesome. I'm being asked to do a review. I'm getting sent a free product from a company, and it was just awesome. And I did that obviously for a while. I got sent a lot of keyboards to review and kind of enjoyed it for a little bit. But yeah, then I was getting contacted by more companies asking, can you review these headphones? Can you review this and this and this? And a lot of them are Chinese companies. And yeah, every week it was just becoming like, right, another product to review, let's get a video done. And a lot of these I would spend like 8 to 10 hours on, and they'd barely get any views. And to be honest, I wouldn't really bother watching those types of videos. So it's like, well, why is anybody else going to watch them? And that's taken me till now pretty much to realise. The other day I did that headphone video, and yeah, I mean, they were really cool, but I didn't have as much fun filming it as I would say like for something for my PC or the setup or things. And that's just a shame, and I think it kind of shows as well in the way the video is. I don't really know how to explain it, but I just didn't enjoy it as much. So from now on, I'm going to change the content. I actually put up a YouTube community poll the other day to ask you guys, what content do you actually want to see? Because that's the most important thing. So I give you a couple of options. PC/gaming setup kind of vlogs, so where I upgrade the setup and install stuff and just have some fun, really. The second one was cheap gaming tech reviews. So obviously I was popular in the beginning for like cheap mechanical keyboards and stuff like that. And yeah, some of you said you wanted to see that. Mobile phone reviews, I thought I'd just put that out there in case anyone was like, we really want to see these, because I did do one phone video before. But yeah, that wasn't that popular. And somebody suggested smart home tech, which would be pretty cool actually, because I think smart home tech kind of fits in with the whole modern kind of setup kind of thing. But yeah, anyway, 60% of you said you wanted to see gaming setup kind of vlog type videos, which really surprised me actually, because I've only done 1 or 2 of them, and I honestly don't think I'm very good at them, because like I said earlier, whenever I turn the camera on, I'm like, what do I even say? But yeah, 60% of you wanted to see that kind of stuff, which I'm kind of glad about, because it will make me make that content and actually get better at doing this kind of thing. And I really enjoy making those types of videos. When I get to the end of them and I watch like my finished video, I'm like, yeah, that was really cool. I enjoyed making that, and I'm happy with the end result. So the reviews aren't going away at all, guys. I'm still going to be doing like like, I'm gonna do a little install video and unboxing of this Elgato Stream Deck that I picked up on Prime Day. But yeah, I'll also do like a kind of professional-ish review of that as well. But it just means I'm not going to be accepting any products really from like companies like Chinese companies and stuff like that. I'm not at the stage yet where I can go and approach, say, Logitech or Corsair or big brands like that, because yeah, I'm just not there yet, and I'm not expecting them to reach out to me anytime soon either. So I'm kind of going to be going it alone for a little bit, which is fine, but I think it's necessary to be able to push the content and just deliver quality content that I enjoy making and that you guys enjoy watching as well. Yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say today, guys. Just wanted to turn the camera on and have a chat because I don't really often do this, and I should do it more to keep you guys updated, because without you, this channel doesn't really exist. And as well, I want it to be the sort of channel where you guys come back, and you come back and leave a comment and things like that, because I think that's awesome. I always try and reply to all of your guys' comments, and sometimes even have like kind of conversations with you, which is awesome. And yeah, I just don't want it to be the sort of channel where I do a review that attracts a few people from an outside source and then another video that is just drawing on other people. Like, I don't want it to be random like that. I want to have subscribers that keep coming back for videos. So I think it was important to do a poll and just see what you guys want to see. So thank you to everybody that voted. Going to be making lots more content on the channel, and like I said, with all the new time that I'm going to have to do it, should be a good year. This year has been a lot better than last year, and I'm hoping 2020 will be even better. I know we're not even halfway through 2019, but whatever. So yeah, once again, thank you to you guys, because you do make this channel what it is. That's all I wanted to say today, guys. If you're still here, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one.